Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. You are greatly appreciated. I'm looking crazy. I just filmed this video and I want to just say hello to you guys before jumping straight in. Okay, this is an eyebrow tutorial. Obviously, this is how I do my brows. I want to start by saying how you do your brows is totally up to you. Okay, you getting the perfect brow is really just your practice and your technique. So don't let any of these gurus, don't let anybody lie to you that you'll just watch this video and you just be great at eyebrows. Okay, you might go through the ugly eyebrow phase, and that is okay. I'm gonna do my best to try to help you curve that time, and hopefully you love your brows. Okay, I literally don't have anything on but eyebrows and a little lip gloss, and I look crazy. But it's okay because I'm here to teach you guys and I love you guys, and thank you so much for being part of the team. If you want to be part of the winning team, all you have to do is click subscribe and go check out my last videos because I just made a story time. But that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get into the video. Okay, I love you. Bye. So now when you do your eyebrows, the shape is all up to you. Literally, when I do my eyebrows, some days I love the shape, some days I hate the shape, but I don't have any eyebrows, y'all. Like, literally. So it all depends on like how I'm feeling that day, or whether it's a good eyebrow day or a bad eyebrow day. But today's gonna be a good day, okay? Because I'm teaching y'all how to do this. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you guys with a voiceover. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mimic my hairs, and I'm brushing and using my pencil to flick and hair-like motions. So it's very light, and this is me just filling in hair that I already have to make a deeper, more pronounced color. In these few clips, I am a little off center, but eventually I do adjust, so please bear with me. But I'm just flicking and filling in my brows, and you can see under I'm actually like creating the shape of my brow because I have very sparse brow hair. Here I am adjusting. I am creating my overall shape. Now with your brows, it all depends like how you want them. Like I said, do you not have any brows and you want to really draw and create your own brows, which is free game like I'm doing, or do you want to fill in and just define your perfect bushy eyebrow hair that you have? So with me, I'm just creating my own brows. I'm still flicking and I'm filling, and you see here I'm creating the shape. So I'm literally creating the exact shape of the eyebrow that I want here. Okay, I'm creating the tail. I like my tail to be pronounced but a lot thinner than the front of my brows. So I'm doing that, and next I'm sharpening my pencil. It is very important to have a sharp pencil, like this is key. And now I'm creating the front of my brow. Now this to me is the most important step. I keep checking it out, and I'm drawing my line almost at a slant, and I'm connecting to the tail that I created. Okay, guys, really just watch the footage and get a feel for it. It's not really much to it but to do it. So now that line is created. So from that line, I'm flicking to create the brow hairs. Okay, so I start exactly where that line is. I'm further defining it here. You see? Now I'm flicking. I'm starting literally at that line and flicking up so there's no demarcation. Flicking and eyebrow hair motions. Flick, flick, flick. So now I'm still flicking, which is very important. My brows usually take me about like 10-15 minutes to complete. But you see here where I'm drawing that line, like every little detail matters in your eyebrows to creating your shape, because I'm literally drawing the shape of my eyebrows. So now with the spoolie, I'm blending because I do want the gradient effect. A brush is very important, an eyebrow brush. You need an eyebrow brush, ladies. So between brushing and filling in, I do both. I interchange both steps. So brushing and then filling in. I do use my fingers to clean. And here are the brows. I hope you love them. This is a natural brow. You do not have to add concealer. You do not have to have this next step. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you how to clean up under the brows as well. So I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is found at the beauty supply store, and I put on the back of my hand. And first, I like to go a little under the brow line because to build my confidence, like I don't want to just start at the brow line. This just helps me, you know, get much closer. So what I want to do, and what you should do essentially, is to clean up under the brow and make the line as sharp as possible. You want to just define your brow line. So you keep working up, keep getting closer. Boom. Okay. And do this little by little so that you're getting as close as you can to your brow line. And I did a good job, obviously. So I'm just filling in. Get as close as you can. And this is practice, ladies. This is practice. If you mess up, you can always wash it off. So I'm filling in that line. I literally want to get as close to the lash line and sharpen it. If I made any mistakes, this is the step to conceal and fix those mistakes. So now I'm just smoothing the product over. With all my products, I like to smooth. And now I'm going to do the top. So the same steps as applied to the bottom, just on the top of the brow line. Here also is where if you made any errors, you can clean. So now I'm getting closer to the front. Now, since this is a beat face, I like to just really almost shorten the front of my brow. And I try to get it as close to the other brow's concealer point. So now you see this is it defined. I take my concealer brush. So now I'm just tapping and blending in that concealer under my eye and over top my eye. And this is a very important step to making sure everything is blended. Your makeup should be seamless, ladies, seamless. I'm also going over that unibrow area in just a second, but I'm smoothing the top. And then, like I said, I'm going to hit that unibrow area just so there's no line of demarcation. Everything is seamless. You want it to be seamless. So I take my spoolie and I brush because I do want the brows to have that gradient effect. And then I want to smooth the unibrow. So it's really just interchanging the spoolie and the brush, like I said earlier. And you do this as much as you feel is needed. Okay, you guys, so these are the brows. I hope you love them. I am really feeling the shape. I did a really good job today. Oh yes, I'm here for the brows. I take the spoolie and I kind of create that gradient effect. Now you don't have to have your brows like this close together at all. And okay, shit, I'm doing too much. Okay, so next, and one of the most important steps, once I start doing this, like my makeup like leveled up, my brows leveled up, everything just looked more put together, is powdering my brows. So the powder I'm using is this Too Faced powder. Not a lot at all. And I take the same brush I was using to blend in my concealer. I'm going to dab my brush in, and I'm just gonna go right over top. And then I take my spoolie and I brush it out. So those are my brows. Like I said, I concealed around my eyes, so this is what I would do in the full face. If I was just like going to work or like didn't want to put on a lot of makeup, I would just do a natural brow without cleaning up. With that concealer step, I would still powder, but you do not have to powder. Like if you like the color that it gives you and you don't mind being oily, if you don't get oily, do not powder your brows. Makeup is totally up to you. I may not have the answer that works specifically to you. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand your face and what works for you. It's really practice. The number one tips I have is practice and making sure that your pencil is as sharp as possible, whether it be a dollar pencil like I suggest, or you getting one of those $20 pencils, which whatever. I may just get one though. Make sure the pencil is as sharp as possible. Make sure you are doing flicking motions and drawing exactly how you want your brows. Okay, I know doing brows seems intimidating. Honestly guys, I've been doing my brows since I was in high school, because I've never had brows, so I was like practicing it. I went through that ugly brow phase. I was talking to my friend and she was like, she don't want to go through the ugly brow phase. It's really practice. Like it's practice and knowing what works, and once you know what works and you stick to it, it's gonna turn out amazing. So practice, practice, practice. I hope that I was a help to you. I'm Ashley Uncut. Thank you so much for watching Tutorial Tuesday, where I post a new makeup look or essential tutorial for you every Tuesday, and I post some bonus content on Fridays. And be sure to like and comment and subscribe. Okay, because winners subscribe over here, so subscribe to the channel. I really hope this helped you, and I'm really proud of you for taking your makeup seriously and leveling up. Okay, because you are bad. I'm about to wash this off, y'all, and go to work. I have to go to work because I haven't found my man yet to save me from working. Remember, because I forget, you're a diamond, flaws and all. See you, boo. Go watch my last story time, okay? And comment and tell me what y'all thought, okay? Like, let me know.